My name is Halima Andieri and welcome to this channel where we talk about child-related issues. I had talked about causes of teenage rebellion, and today I've been requested to talk about how to handle teenage rebellion. Please remember that teenage is just a stage of growth and development, and it will not last forever. So take it easy, relax, and most importantly, calm down as you guide and handle the teenagers. So how are we supposed to handle the teenagers' rebellion? Guide them and mentor them. Be patient enough and keep on guiding them for as long as it will take. And remember that you are also their role model, because they need to emulate you before they emulate other people outside there. And remember to practice what you preach, because you cannot tell your teenager that it is wrong to do a certain thing and then they see you doing it. It will not be so good. 2, be consistent when dealing with your child, because inconsistency makes them test the waters and see how far they can go. But when you're consistent, this will enable them to know what to do and to what extent. They may not go so far. Okay? Number 3, make sure that your child is part of the decision-making process. If there is any decision that you want to make concerning him or her, please include them in it, okay? So that you don't just bombard them with it. If you bombard them with it, this will bring about rebellion. But just ensure that he or she is part of the decision-making process. 4, allow exceptions to the rules on certain occasions. For example, if in case of a fault and your teenager apologizes, please accept, forgive, forget, and move on, because he or she has already realized his mistake. And the most important thing is that he or she has apologized. So there is no need for you to dwell on the matter. Okay? 5, spend as much time as possible with your teenage kids and have fun activities together from time to time. And when you're out there, don't remind him or her of any misdeed that he or she did back at home. And still, when you're out there and he or she does something that you don't agree to, just talk to him or her, okay, and let it pass. So that when you go back home, don't keep on narrating to everybody about the misdeed that he or she did while you are out there, because this will discourage them from going out with you for any fun activity when you request them to. And number 6, practice free and fair discussions on any topic with your teenager. There are so many things concerning life that you can talk about with your teenager. So be open enough, okay? And talk to him or her as you would with an adult. Sit him or her down, ask him or her what he knows about the issue or about the topic, and then start from known to unknown. Once he or she has told you the much he or she knows about the issue, then now educate him or her about what he or she does not know. Those are some of the ways that can help you handle teenage rebellion. Please make sure to watch my video on how to raise upright teenagers, because some points from there will also help you on how to handle teenage rebellion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.